For taxpayers who are using the new EBR Forms Package version 7.9.6, there's an ongoing issue right now where may delay or hindi na receive ang system-generated email confirmation. Nakakatawa kasi CBR, they made a tax advisory on this and sinisi nila ang taxpayer. Basahin nyo to. Taxpayers are hereby advised that the delay or non-receipt of the system-generated email may be due to one of the following reasons. Number one, the recipient's email inbox is out of storage or inactive. Second is the email confirmation has been diverted to spam or junk email folder. The company's firewall restricts email from EBAR. Yung advisory is that in case of non-receipt, pwede mong i-take yung screenshot. Okay lang sana if yung system generated when you file your EBAR forms, parang meron dung date stamp na parang date with the time. Pero wala eh. Every time you file and may parang successfully submitted, it's just the same pop-up message every time. Kapag screenshot ka lang tapos pwede ka na magbayad, this is for the, in my opinion, okay lang if you wanna pay through the land bank kasi sure pasok yan sa system nila. Ang issue ko lang would be yung mga non-payment or zero payment na returns. I suggest still using the old version na 7.9.5 muna for the time being kasi makakatanggap ka kagad ng email confirmation yan. Okay lang naman gumamit ng older version as long as wala namang bago sa forms na sinasubmit nyo, walang bagong format or something. You can do this method form now para kasi down the road baka magka-problema yan na hindi nila makita sa system nila. At least you have your email confirmation. Tapos you can just re-download in the future kapag naayos na nila yung problema na yan.